Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to your Wi-Fi home network on your Android phone. This is really easy to do. So if this is your first time, just take your fingers and swipe on down from the top. And we're looking for this symbol right here. It'll be Wi-Fi. So I'm already connected to my home Wi-Fi. So I can just hold down on this. It'll bring me to this screen. So I can see my Wi-Fi network. So we can go to Add Network, or press this little refresh button on the top, and it should go ahead and just load all the available networks in my area. So Wi-Fi is turned on. Now we have to connect to a network. So let's choose Miss Beast right here. Tap this. Now you should be connected to it, but most of the time you have to type in a password. So you'll have to know what that is, and sometimes that will be located on the actual router itself or the modem. So you just have to go ahead and know the password. So I'll disconnect right here and forget it. Then I'll go back to it, and now I have to type in the password. So once I type this in, I can press connect down here, and then I'll be connected to the internet. So it's very easy to do. Hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.